Sushma ma'am. Children, today I am going to take class for first standard social class. Okay, children, we must learn to take care of ourselves and others. That is called safety. Okay, so today we are going to learn about safety measures. My safety. My safety. This is your third term portions. Lesson 1. My safety. Safety means, first we will learn safety meaning. Safety means to protect oneself from any harm. We must be careful in our actions. Isn't it, children? Every moment, every time we must be careful in our movement. Every movement, actions. We should always follow the safety rules to avoid accidents, isn't it? So, we should follow always safety measurement or safety rules. We should avoid the accidents. Okay. First, safety methods. Always follow safety rules at home, in school, on the road and in the playground. Okay. If you are careful, you will be safe. What, children? If you are careful, you will be safe. Isn't it? See, first, we will see first safety rules at home. Safety rules at home. What are the safety measures at home? Yes, we will learn. First one, do not play with sharp things. Do not play with sharp objects. For example, knife, scissors, etc. Like a knife or a blade. Okay. And other sharp objects. Already I told. For example, knife, scissor, needle, blade. Okay. First, safety rules at home. Do not play with sharp objects or sharp things. Next one. Do not touch electrical wires, switches and gadgets. Okay. Do not touch with electrical switches and plugs. You're getting shocked. What is the second point, children? Do not play with electrical wires and switches. Next point, do not fly kites on the roof. Do not fly kites on the roof. You may fall off. Isn't it? You may fall off the roof and get hurt. Understood, children? See, do not fly kites on the roof. You may fall off the roof and get hurt. So, do not play on the roof. Do not play with a matchbox. Do not light a gas stove on your own. What are the third point? Do not play with the matchbox. This is matchbox, no? So, should not play with matchbox. If you are playing with matchbox, what happen? You will burn yourself. So, you don't play with matchbox and light of a gas stove. Understood? Next point. Do not touch pesticides. Do not touch pesticides as they are poisons. So, we do not touch. It is next one. It is not safe to play outdoor games inside the home. You will get hurt or even break things also. Understood, children? You should not play inside the home. You should play outside the games, open grounds, in open grounds. Understood? Next point. Do not leave your toys on the floor. What happens if you leave your toys on the floor? What happens? You may slip over them. So, You do not leave your things on the floor. Understood, children? What are the safety measures at home? Once again I will repeat, listen carefully. Do not play with sharp things, sharp objects. For example, knife, scissor, needle, blade, etc. Understood? Do not touch, next point, do not touch electrical wires, electrical switches. You may get an electric shock. So you don't touch with, you don't play with electrical wires and switches, plugs. Okay. Next, do not fly kites on the roof. You may fall off the roof and get hurt. Next, do not play with a matchbox. Already I showed no matchbox. So you do not play with a matchbox. If you are play with a matchbox, you will burn yourselves. Okay. Do not fly kites on the roof because you may fall from the roof. Understood? Next point, do not touch pesticides. So, do not touch pesticide because they are poisons. Okay. Next, it is not poisonous. Next, it is not safe to play outdoor games inside the house. You do not play game inside the house. You will get hurt or even break things. Do not leave your toys on the floor. You may slip over them. So, these are the safety measures at home. We should follow the safety rules at home. Understood, children? Next rules. Safety rules in a bus. Safety rules in a bus. First one, do not lean out of the window in a moving bus. What, children? Do not lean out of the window in a moving bus. Do not walk or run inside a moving bus. If you are moving or run inside the bus, what happens? You are fall down. You will fall down. Next, do not disturb the driver while moving bus. Do not try to get into a moving bus. Make a queue to get on or off a bus. Understood? What are the safety rules in a bus? Do not lean out of the window in a moving bus. Do not walk or run inside a moving bus. Do not try to get into a moving bus. Understood? Next, safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Okay, we should always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the side of the road facing the traffic. Always we should walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the side of the road facing the traffic. Next, cross the road at zebra crossing only. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Never play or run on the road. We should play in open grounds only or park. Do not play or run on the road. Always follow safety rules. Always we should follow safety rules on the road. And take, if you are across the road, you should follow the safety rule. What are the safety rule? Look to your left, then to your right, and again you go your left before you cross the road. Okay, look to your left, then to your right and again to your left before you cross the road. Okay children. Next, use a subway to cross busy road. You should always use subway to cross. You should always use a sub road to cross busy road. If not, never play behind a parked vehicle. Okay children, these are safety rules on the road. Next safety rule. Safety rules in the swimming pool. Safety rules in the swimming pool. Swimming pool. We will see what are the safety rules of in the swimming pool. Be careful while swimming. You should always be careful while swimming. Do not swim alone. Do not swim alone. Always go with your parents or teachers. Next, use a swimming tube to swim. Because you are a learner, you should use a swimming tube to swim. Do not swim after meal. After meal, you should not swim. Do not go towards the deep end of the pool. If you are a learner, you should go to the deep end of the pool. Understood? These are the safety rules in the swimming pool. Next point, safety rules in the playground. Next, safety measure. Safety rule in the playground. On the playground. Safety rule in the playground. We will see what are the safety rules in the playground. Do not play on the streets or road. Understood? We do not play on the streets or road. Always we should play in open grounds or park. Be careful on the swing. Do not fight while playing. You do not fight with others while playing. Play in open grounds and parks. Already I told you should always play in open grounds and parks. Do not play with breakable toys. Okay. Play careful without hurting yourself and others. Do not tease animals. They may bite you. So be careful. We do not tease animals. They may bite you. Understood children? These are the points of safety rules in the playground. Next, safety rules in a car. Safety rules in a car. Do not put your hand or head out of the window while moving car. Okay, so we should not put our hand or head out of the window while moving car. Always we sit on the back seat. If you are children, you should sit on the back seat. Do not disturb the driver while he is driving. Do not disturb the driver while he is driving. Next, put on the seat belt if you are sitting in front. If you are sitting in front, you should put on the seat belt. Okay. Next, these are all safety measures in different places. So, we are other safety measures. We will learn other safety measures. What are the points we will see? Never take any eatable from a stranger. Always we should not take any eatable from a stranger. Never stay too late out of your house. Never leave your house without the permission of your parents. Okay. Did you understand, children? Never leave your house without the permission of your parents. Okay. Be careful during festivals like Diwali and Holi. Then we will hurt. So be careful during festivals like Diwali. We are playing with crackers now. So we be careful during festivals like Diwali and Holi. Play in safe place like park and open playgrounds. We should always play in safe place, open like park and open grounds. Okay, children, these are the safety rules. So next, first aid. First aid is the treatment given to the injured person before the doctor arrives. So what is the first aid meaning? First aid is the treatment given to the injured person before the doctor arrives. If you get hurt at home, tell your parents. If you get hurt at school, report to your teacher immediately. Okay, they will give you first aid. Understood, children? Okay, I hope all of you understood. Next class I will give you notes, my safety rules. Okay, keep reading, children, keep practice. We will meet next class. Thank you.